everyone and welcome back again. So this is the React Native weather app series. In the last video we have called the APIs and also we have add the activity indicator also. So today we are going to call the search API and also we are going to save the location in the Redux toolkit. So let's start with the practical. So this is my app. Let me reload the app. And first you just seen the activity indicator and this is the search screen. First we are going to call the search API, and when you get the result and we are going to save it, and also we are going to show the location in this page also. So I do not want to waste your time, so let's start with the practical. So first I'm going to the search screen. So let's search the search screen, and this is my search screen. And first I'm going to call the search API, and for that we are going to the documentation, and this is the documentation. If we are going to call the search API, this just copy search API, just copy, and we are going to the URL. This is my URL file and just print it, and this is my search API, you can see, and we are going to pass the search location, and this is my token, and just copy the API and come to the search screen. Const search API call, and after that we are going to add the try catch and catch like this. And I'm going to add the const response is equal to, so first I'm going to import the Axios from the Axios dot get. So we are going to import the search. So this is my search API, you can see, and print it, and we are going to pass the search item, just copy and paste it, and also make it string, and then just type then, and when you get the response, and we are going to console that response also, and just type the log and type the add the dot data. This is my response and need the error. This is my catch, we need to type the error and just type the log error and also type the error and save it, and just copy the API call. We need to import the use effect, and just call like this, and we need to add we need to call the like this, and also when you update the state we need to call the API, just copy and just add it like this and format, and let me print this also. Let me copy the response, and this is my, let me clear this and print the response. Just type the London, and we just get the London response, you can see, and we just get the 5 response Delhi, and we are getting the response of the Delhi also. Now you can see this is the Delhi, you can see, and we get the 1 response. Now I'm going to show you the response like this. So when you search the response, and we are going to get the response like this, so for that we are going to call the current API also. So just come here and we just create the one variable more, search location data, and set search location data. Let me correct the spelling, is equal to use state, and by default should be a array, and just copy and come here and just type the response dot data and also add this. We just save the response in the search location data. Now I'm going to copy this and const. So now I'm going to call the current API. So for that, just create the one function with the name of the const get weather update like this. And also we should add the async, and also we need to add the await also in here, await like this. So first I'm going to show you the current API. So this is my current API. In the current API we need to pass the lat long or the location name. So for that I'm going to create the one like a const get location name, and we have a search location data dot map, and just map an item dot name. So now I'm going to print this get location name log, and just copy the name, and just also search in the this, just copy this function, come here, and let's see, and we just get the length 0. So for that let me comment this, and first I'm going to check the search location data. If it is an array and when we have a data, so we are going to render the map. So for that we are going to f array is, and just search about the search location, and also we are going to or search location data dot length is 0, and we are going to print the log also, no data found, and also we are going to return this. And this if condition is only for the searching location data, because when you do not have any data, we are going to render the map, so when we get the errors. I do not want to any errors, so for that reason I just apply the if condition here. First we are going to check is it array, so, and after that if length is equal to 0, so we are going to return this. So let me uncomment this and just come here and just type the cobble, and let me no data found, you can see, and we do not get any data. So we just made a one mistake. If this is if the search location data is array, we are going to inside the return. So let me make it like this. So now we are going to see this cobble. You can see this is my search location, and we just get the cobble. So we just get the cobble, you can see, and we just get the cobble. Now I'm going to call the API, call the try catch like this, and error. We are going to call the API const, and response is equal to, we need to import the axios like this, axios dot get and current API, and just copy the location, get location name, and paste it. Just tap the then, and we need to print the response also, and log, and just copy the response, paste response, and also response is equal to also just type the response of weather, and we need to log also of the inside the error weather error and save it. And we need to call the, so now we need to check the response. Let's see. Let me clear this and paste it, and let me just search about the city, and we just search about the London, and this is my response, you can see, and this is the London city, and we just get the let me see, this is my location. Let me copy this and paste it, and this is my location, current location, and this is the current location. You can see this is the temperature. So now we are going to print like this. So for showing like this, we are going to create the one state more, and this is my state. Just copy this state also and paste it, and just change the name, weather, just copy, just copy this and paste it, and just copy the set and just paste it, and just copy the response data like this, and also copy this and come to the, do not need this text also, just remove this, and just take a one view. And so first I'm going to import the image from the React Native source, and just we have a weather, this is the response. So first I'm going to comment this, just print this, the weather response, to see what we have. Just come here and log, and just copy, and just come here and paste it, and we just get the data. And first we have a current, inside the current we have a condition, inside the condition we have a, and the location image, you can see the image. So for that I'm going to the home screen. In the home screen we already combined the URL, also image URL. So this is the HTTP, you can see. We need to add the HTTP like this. Just copy the source, full source, image source, and just come here and remove this and just print it. And we need to add the weather response like this. And so we do not have a day, so we have a current. Let me remove these things. So we have a current also, this. Let me copy the current and just come inside the current. Inside the current we have a conditions, and let me add the condition, and then we have an icon. Let me also, what we have from the React Native, see. So let me add the style also for this. So you can see we just seen the image. So you can see we just import the icon also, and also we need to create like this. So for that I'm going to style the UI style, and we do add the flex direction, row, and first we have icon, then we have this two. So flex direction icon, and also justify contents, space between, and aligned item, center also, and we need to take a one view more. Inside this we need to take a two text and just copy the weather this and come to the text, and we need to pass the, let's see the location. We need to pass inside the current, we have a where the location name, so we just location name in the location, we have location name inside the location, just copy the location name location and just come to the remove the current location, and also we need to name, we can see this is the name, and just like this, and let me style also this, and we need to font family, font size 20, color dot white. So we just get this response, and also let me format the code and again copy the whole text and just remove this text also and paste it, and we need to add the, now we need to add the timing also. So for that just remove the location and just come here, and we have a inside the current we have a last updated, you can see we have a last updated, we need to print this and just like this current, and we have a last updated, copy, and we just get this last updated also, and also we need to add the moment also for this, so we need to show it like this, only the time, and just cut this and type the moment, import the moment from the moment dot and add this, and also we need to add the format, and we need to only a timing for that HH and MM, so you can see, and also we can add the AA PM, so like this we need the, so let me format the code, and after that we need to add the temperature also like this. So for that I'm taking this is my view, inside the I'm taking a text also again, and just copy the weather this full and come here, and we need the temperature also, so we have a, let's see the temperature, so we have temperature in Celsius, just copy the temperature in Celsius, just copy temperature in Celsius and print it, and let me copy this style also, the whole style, and paste it, and we just get the temperature also in Celsius, and also we need to add the this, also we need to add this icon, so for that let me add like this and star, and also we need to add the emojis, so this is the emoji, save it, and we just get this, and we need to make it like this also, so for that just come to the main view, and this is my main view, and add the background color dot card background color, and also we need the margin top, $20, and we need a padding also, padding horizontal, just add the 12 moderate scale. Let me correct this. Kabul. So Delhi, you can see. And let me add the padding vertical. This should be a 16. And also we need a border radius. And let me add this. Let me make this 12 also. But this should be a 20. And this look like we need to add this text color also. So and let me correct the other thing also. Let me correct these things also. Like we need the same color like this. So this is not the white. And also we need to add the font. And font family, we need to add the font family dot semi bold. And let me format it. So let me also copy these things, cut this text style and paste it, and just copy and make it like this. And also we do not need to view style. Let's just copy this, cut this, and come here, view style, and just come like and we just remove the inline styling to the outer styling, and we have a text style. And also we need to add the color also. This is not the color 100% color. Let's see the color. We have a not the 100% color. Just add the white with percentage 77 like this, and this should be a 24. Yeah, it should be 18. And also this should be a 12. And also we need to add the view align item center like this. And also we need to add a space also, bottom space from each other. And this is my text, and margin bottom 4. Yeah, it's look fine now. So now it's look fine. We need to add the button also for this. And this is my view, and just change it to the touchable opacity, copy, paste it. So like this. And now let me search again. So let me make it search, click like this. Okay. So when you click, so when you cancel and when you come to the search, and by default we are getting the undefined. So for that I'm going to call the activity indicator first. And also first I'm going to cut this and take a one view and combine the whole things, and just minimize. And also, and we are going to just come to the home screen, and we are going to just copy the state of the is loading and just paste it, just copy. And by default, first when you call the API function, we need to call the true. And when you get the response, we need to make it false like this, copy and make it false. And also just copy this And when you call the weather update API also, we need to make it true and just copy. When you get the response, we need to make it false, and also we need to make it false. And also when we have a weather data, we need to add the check also in the card. Just copy and make it like this and double end and save it. So let me when you have a data in the weather response, then we are going to show this touchable. So we are going to show this card also. So let's search about some city. You can see we just get the Kabul city, and this is the Kabul, you can see, and like this. And also you can search about the London. So this is the London. And also you can search about the Scotland, Edinburgh. It's showing like this. Like this, we can add the weather search API and call the search. So now we are going to save this location to the Redux toolkit, and also we are going to save it in the local storage also. So for that, I'm going to close these all files like this, and we are going to open the Redux toolkit file, the reducer, auth reducer, and we are going to create the one reducer for the. So we are going to create the one initial state also for the save the user data. So save the user location data, save user location data. This is the variable, and just come here, and now we are going to create the one function for this also. Let me create in there, save user search location item, and we have a state, and then we have an action and arrow function. And let me add this and just type the state, and we have a save the user location data like this, and we need to add the action dot payload dot, need to copy this and just add it, and we just create the we haven't assigned anything in this. Let me assign like this. So we just face the error. So this is like we do not exist the property, so we do not add the initial data. So for that, I'm going to assign the array like this, or we're going to assign the like this object. And after that, we need to just copy this and come to the here, export it, save. So now I'm going to the search screen. Let me format the code and save it. And now I'm going to the search screen. This is my search screen. Let's go to the top, and let's go to the home, the welcome screen. And we already import the dispatch from the Redux. Just copy this and come here, and the top, just paste it. And we need to import dispatch for the Redux like this. Let me import, and we just import the use dispatch and just copy the dispatch. And we are going to create a one function to save the user data also in here. So let me show you like this. If I type London, so we need to save this London also. So for that, just const call to save location like this. This is arrow function, and we need to type dispatch like this, and just import the save user location item. And then we have a user location item, we have a state. This is the user location data. Just copy this and just assign it to the, and we have a weather response. So this is the response we have inside this, and we need to save it like we need to save the name of the location only. We do not save anything else. We need to save only the name. So save it and just copy and come to your button. This is my button, you can see, and just type on press and we need to call this also again when I call it. So when I call the call to save location function, we need to know is our data is storing in the Redux toolkit or not. So for that I'm coming to the here, and we need to import the use selector, and just we already defined the use selector in the route. Just come here and just copy the whole and just paste it, and just import the use selector from the Redux. And we need to only see the user data. Just copy the user data, and like this we need to make it unique. And let's see and we just get the user data, you can see, and this is undefined. Let me search about I just search, and let's see in the user data, and we just get the undefined again. So where is the mistake we have done? Let me save it like this. Again, let me clear this. So we just get the user data, you can see. This is the user data. Inside the user data we have a current. Inside the current we have all the location, and so in the location we have these are the, so you can see we just save the data in the Redux. So if I reload it, we do not get any data, you can see. This is empty. You can see when I reload the app, we do not have a data because we do not save it in the local storage. So now I'm going to save in the local storage also. So now I need to save this also in the local storage. So for that I'm going to import the MMKV first in the top, and we already import in the welcome screen. Just go to the welcome and just import the MMKV and just paste it here and import the MMKV like this. And also we save the data also in the MMKV storage set like this. Just copy and come here, and this is my function, you can see. And we need to save user save locations. So this is my, and also we need to save the data, and this is the weather, and I need to save only the location name. So for that just copy this, and let's see the data what we have, and let me search about the data. Let me search about the location Cobble, and we have current, and inside we have a location. Inside the location we have a name of the city, and just save, copy. We have a current, and inside the current we have a name, and also similar like and say also similar, make it similar to the Redux toolkit also. Save it. So now you can see we just save it in the save location also. So now I'm going to see the user data also. Just copy this user data, open the console, and you can see we just save only the location, only name Cobble, you can see. And let me clear this again. If I again reload the app, we did not get any save data. Let's see, and let's come to the, you can see this is my and we do not have any user save the user data, it's empty. So now I'm going to the app.js, app.ts. This is my, so now I'm going to get the storage data also. So for that, just copy this, and we need to change the name also, save user locations, and we have a token name also. Let's see the token what we have, save it, the token. So this is my token, save location. Just copy and paste it and save it, and we need to dispatch also from here, and just come here, so also just type the dispatch. First just type the dispatch, and we have a, inside the dispatch we have a, let's see, and here just we have this. So just copy the whole line and come here and paste it, and just import this also, and assign the save user location also. And now if I see, we will be get the data also, cobble. You can see if I reload the app again and just go to the city, and you can see we just get the cobble. So you can see we just save the data. So now you can see we just save the data in the Redux toolkit first, and then we save it in the local storage, and app.js we just get the data, and then we again store in the Redux toolkit. So now I'm going to use this data also. So now I'm going to show you how can we use this data and calling the API of the weather and get the result like this. So let's go to the this screen, my city screen, and this is my city screen. And first I'm going to, let me comment this, and let's so let's first we are going to, let me save this also. First we are going to import the use selector. Just come here, and the top we have a use selector, just copy, and this is my city screen, and just paste it. And we need to add we need only the use save location data. Just come here and just copy this, and let me print it, and let's import the use selector from the Redux, and save data, just copy, and we have a like this, we just missed the, and just copy and come here, clear it and top it. So we just get the only the cobble. You can see we just get the cobble. So now I'm going to save another data also. Let's see, and this should be a London. This is the London city, and just you can see we just saved the London also. And when I come here, you can see again the London. And now just, so now we are going to call the current API also. So const, and this is the get current save location API call async, and also we need to const, just make a try and catch like this. And first we are going to create the one const, and just type the response is equal to await, and import the axios dot get, and we have a current API, and inside that we need to pass the user dot location like this one, and just copy and paste it, and then and we need to log our response also, response, and save it. And we need to type error, log the error also. We just made a mistake, we add the extra equal, just remove this. So now it's fine. And also log the error also here, log error, and save it. And let me format the code and just copy this. So we need to import the use effect from the React, and we are going to call it once and just copy the function and call it and format the code. Just copy this and see it in the log, and we just get the undefined and we do not get anything. Let's see. So we just missed the response also, we just missed the response. Just copy and type the response. So now we are getting the response, you can see. And this is the data. Inside the data we have a current, and we have all the things of the current also, and we have a location, London, anything we have. So this is our data, you can see. And let me print only the data like this, and let me format the code, save it, and you just get the location and current. So now I'm going to print this also. So now I'm going to print this also in here. So for that, and let me save it in the data also. Just copy this, set data. So we need to save it as a array like this, and we just get one array, you can see. And let's comment this whole data like this, and we have other also. Just comment the whole data and just copy the data. And let's see in the return, let me print the return log and just print the item, and just copy this and see it in the log. We get the location, current, you can see we have a current. Inside the current we need to show the let's see the data also. Let me open the, this is our, like this, we need to make it like this. Let me so we need to make it like this, and we have the first we have a name. So location, we have a name. Let's copy the location name. And the first one we have a city name like this, item. We have a current, location. In the location we have a name like this, and you can see we just get the location name. Format the code again. So this icon is for the current location, so I need to show this also now. Let me remove this, I just show it. And then I need to show the time also. So we have a, let's see in the console, where is the time, last time updated, and we have a current. Inside the current we have a time updated. Inside the current we have a time updated. Like see, copy the current dot current, and we have a time updated. Let's see, and this is our time. We need to add the moment also. Just moment and just add this. We need to show only the time, so for that format and just type the so we just show only the last time when the weather is updated. So let me format the code and save it. And now we need to add the temperature Celsius. So for that we have a current also. Copy the current, and we need to add the temperature and Celsius. Inside the current we have a temperature and Celsius. Just copy and just paste it So you can see we just make it like this, and also we can delete it. Let's see, this is working fine, but we need to delete it. I reload the app, let's see, and just come to the locations screen, but we get again we need to delete from the local storage also. So let's see, and this is the action button. You can see delete the item. Inside the delete the item we need to delete also. So for the delete the item I need to go to the Redux toolkit again. So first I'm going to create the one function with the name of delete user locations like this, and add the state and action arrow function again, and just we need to add the state dot save the user location data, and is equal to we are going to pass the empty object like this, and format the code and just copy. So also I need to delete from the local storage. So for that I'm going to the my city screen, just copy this, just go to the my settings screen, and first I'm going to import the dispatch and the top. So let's copy from the here. So let's copy from the welcome screen, and this is my dispatch, and just paste it here. Import the use dispatch. So first we need to dispatch and import the delete the user location, and just call the user location also. This is our user location, delete the user location, you can see. And after that I need to delete the from the local storage. Also we need to delete from the local storage. So for that I'm going to import the MMKV also, and let me import the MMKV like this, and just copy the storage and dot and delete, and just type the, and also we need to type the token name. So just come for the search screen, and this is my token name, you can see, and this is the save location. Just come here and save it, and let's see when I delete the so let's see while I'm deleting the location, and let me reload the app. So we did not get anything. Let me save again, London. This is the London. Let's go back, and we don't know why we do not get. Let me reload the, we did not call the API. So let me delete again, and just go to the location again, just add the cobble, and just come back. But we did not get because we do not focus our screens, because the screen is not because the use effect not working fine. For that I'm going to create the one state also, const, and that's is focused, and just import from the use focus from the React Native. Use is focus from the React navigation like this, and just copy and add it. While the screen is focused, we need to call this API again and again. You can see, let me delete it again, and just come here and just type about the city, London, click, come here. So you will get the data also. So the search and saving location weather is done. So now I'm going to show you how can we show in the map also. So this is our map screen, you can see. So for that I'm going to the map screen. Let's go to the map screen. So this is my map screen, and let me like this, make it like this, and we need to, this is my city screen, and let me copy the whole thing also from here. Just come here, and first we need to import the Axios, and we need to import the current API, and also so we need to import the use effect. just import the focus also from the navigation, make it in the top like this. And we need to user data also, we need to import the user data from the my city screen. We need to import the my user data also from the city screen. Just come here, and the top we need to import the this whole thing also. Let me copy the whole things like this. Just come here and just paste it, MMKV import, and use dispatch also, and use selector also, and save the data. And we are going to see the location also. We are going to see map. Just copy. Let's see. You can see we just get the data. So just come to the location. So this is my map, you can see, and this is our region, and we just apply the latitude and longitude. And for that I'm going to the region also again, and we need to save this in the user data. So we need, this is our my data also, and just create the one function, just create the one state also, const save location and set save locations like this, and just copy and assign it like this. And let me copy this. So let me log this. Let's print this, and we just get the data. You can see this is the current data. Inside the current inside the location we have a lat long also. This is our lat long. Also we do not need to save this also in the array. Save it and just copy. Let's see the data again. We just get the data current, and we have a current. Just copy the this, and we have a marker. This is our marker. We do not need the array also. Now we do not need any array. Let's comment this, and this also, and this is my marker. We have a item.id. So let me comment, this is coordinate item, and let me make it like this. Let me add like this, save location. Inside that save location we have a location, and make it like this. So make it like this, latitude and longitude, and just pass the lat long also. Just pass the lat inside the location, lat, and just copy the whole thing and paste it, and long, and let me format the code. And we have a item.title. So for this, save location, and just add the location name, and also we need to show the temperature in Celsius. Copy, and we have a current. Just copy the current, just copy the whole current, and need to, this is the Celsius, temperature in Celsius. Copy, save. Let's see the location and save location dot name. So save location dot name. So in the location we have save location dot name. Let's see, we have again, let's copy this. So let's also add the latitude longitude in the region also, this, and let's also add the latitude and longitude in the region. Just copy and paste it like this. So we just get the data, you can see we just get the data of the London also. And also we need to add the image also. This is the image, and for that I'm going to make it like this, and URI, and we already added in the search screen. So just come here and let's see, this is my source. Just copy the whole, come here and make it like this, and just copy, paste it, save it. So you can see we just show the marker and location also. Let me cover the whole thing for you. Let me close the app again and open the app. So you can see we just add the location data, user location data, and you can also we add the current location also, and we also add maps marker also. So this is the last video of this app series, and we have covered all the thing about the weather app, like calling the API, searching screen, and adding in the location, and save it and delete it. So hope you like this video and this series. So in the next time I will come with the new idea and the new thing. See you in next video. For now, bye bye.